Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Suzuki GW250. This is a twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, lightweight sports cycle. Beautiful condition, 6,400 miles. Got some really cool upgrades, including bar end mirrors, fender eliminator kit, and an awesome sounding and very cool looking exhaust. New rear tire, fender eliminator. This bike also is great for beginners. It has a gear shift indicator so you know exactly what gear you're in. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 great looking used bikes. This bike's only $29.99. Come by, check it out, make your motorcycle dreams come true.